Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. Got my hat on extra tight because the wind is strong today, but I am back here at Copart, wandering around looking for cool cars and trucks to show off to you. Let me know what you think about these walk around videos and the cars that I'm showing. If there's a particular brand or make that you want to see, let me know and I'll see if I can find it for you. We're going to start today's video with the Lexus that started it all, and I have a really big question for you. Would this be worth getting back out on the street? Would it be worth putting the money into this car to get her all fixed up? Here she is right there. This is the car that started it for Lexus, the LS400. This almost put Mercedes out of business. Remember how popular they were? All the rich people had one of these. They were super smooth, super reliable, and they really made Mercedes kind of up their game. This one is a very well cared for example, okay? Just look at the tires. They are almost new. Yokohama tires, okay? The paint is great. It still has the gold here, still has the gold here, here, and here. This is such a beautiful car. The problem is they were involved in an accident, and it would take some work to get her back to perfect. There it is right there. I can't open the hood to show you the extent of this, but it looks like absolutely you need a bumper, fender, hood, light. There could be some more damage right back here. I don't know if the radiator has been affected. I just don't know, but this was somebody's baby, and I'll show you how I know right now. Okay, this interior, you're not even gonna believe. It looks fantastic. Are you ready? Look at the back. No wear and tear. There's nothing. Look at this. It even smells new. I don't know how many miles this has, but it can't be much. Look. Look at the carpet. It's in perfect condition. Here we go. Look at this. Here, yeah, see? Look how nice this is. Still has the Lexus carpets. There's very little wear right here on the side bolster. This thing was babied. Absolutely. Look at the wood. She was garage kept. The interior is perfect. Thank goodness no airbags went off. Okay, let me close this door. We do have power, so we're just going to see what happens. We're going to be very careful about this. Yes, of course the steering wheel works, and I love how this illuminates. She does still start. Okay. Oh, good radio station too. Absolutely great radio station. Now she's running, oh, look at this. 197,000 miles? And she looks like this? Wow. That's unbelievable. Look at this. Look, you have surgical gloves. They made you wear this when you change the oil, or a doctor owned this car. It could be. This could be a doctor's car. There's masks. Yep, I think this is a doctor's car. Air conditioning is cold. Everything is going to work. Look at this. Yeah, they've been closed for a while though. See the dust come off of the windows? There it is. She was serviced at the Lexus dealership. Oh my goodness. And she runs. I mean, she runs. Even the door sill is in perfect condition. Holy moly. The only thing that's missing is the cover for your trunk release. Okay, let's turn this off. Turn off the air conditioning. So it's a little, we may have a power steering hose that is gone. I don't want to let her run very long at all, but she runs. She survived. She absolutely survived the accident. I can't believe 200,000 miles and she looks brand new. The seat, even this is still firm. Oh my goodness, it must have been a very light doctor. It was a lady doctor. It was a gynecologist, and she didn't weigh very much. She couldn't wear out the springs. Oh, did this not? this isn't going to open for us. I want to see what's in the trunk. But this vehicle right here has such a great reputation. I guess now that it's not going to open for us. Okay, now that I'm talking about you, you're not going to work, right? Okay. That's okay. Yeah, she's not going to let us in. And I don't see a little handle for it either. Okay, well, anyway, this is it. So the question is, how much will she go for? And the other question is she worth restoring? 200,000 miles, that's a lot. But this, it would be perfect. It would be. I mean, look at it. You just have to find a fender and a door in the same great shape. And the bumper as well. And where are you going to find that? Unless you want to have the whole thing painted, but then it's not the original Lexus paint. And that's that just gets to be a whole different ordeal. So let me know what you think. I think this is beautiful. I'd love to have it. I'd love to get my hands on it and try to bring it back, but I just don't know if there's room. Let me know what you think. This lovely Lexus. You want a bad boy car? How about a Kia Stinger? These are really popular. All the cool kids have these. This is a very cool color. I've had a couple of electric bikes in this color, and it's nice. You got Proxys tires on it. The problem is they bumped into something pretty substantial and lost their bumper. What else is under here? That's your condenser. I don't know if it made it to the radiator or not. But other than that, there's no other damage. This is such a cool car, and it's got this gorgeous interior. Yeah, I don't see any other damage at all. Okay, you want to see inside? Here we go. Red. Yep. Nothing is more sporty than a nice red interior. I like it in this. I'm not really big on the Mercedes red or burgundy or blood leather color from back in the day. That was just way too much red. Everything was red. This has the red and the black and the silver to kind of break it up. This is in good shape though. Wow, this is really nice. Let's go ahead and see if we can get in the engine compartment and take a look at the radiator and see if she's worth starting. I don't want to start this without, examining the damage, because I don't want to hurt a car. I try to leave every car in better shape when I'm done looking at it. That's kind of my motto in life. I like to leave everybody better, everybody happier when I'm done with them. No, I'm never done with them like that, but you know what I'm saying. This looks okay. There's still coolant. So I think it'd be okay to try to give it a start. Should we check for oil very quickly too, just to see? Yep, we got oil. We got oil, we got power. Now let's see if she's gonna start for us. This is a nice place to be up front. Oh, I like this is the GT steering wheel. I don't like the position of the front seat though. Let's see what happens. 72,900 miles. She sounds good. This seat is way down. Here we go. We got so the problem is power steering. Yeah, power steering, there is none. Okay. Look at the gear shift though. That's kind of cool. Check forward collision avoidance as shift. There's drive. There's reverse. She goes into gear fine. So we know that works. That's good. All this stuff is gonna work. Let's see if we can just give her a little bit of power. Here we go. No, are you gonna do this or no? Here we go. Yeah. Look at this. That is a great big sunroof. Let's go ahead and close it up. Can I not? I guess I can't. Okay, that's all right. This is kind of cool. I mean, it looks like they just glued an iPod right on top. iPad right on top. This, though, is a definite issue. But I love the red and the black and the silver. It is cool. What do you think about the Stinger? Stinger GT with the cool steering wheel, paddle shift right here, all the controls on this. Nice, nice, nice. Do I like it more than the Lexus? No. I don't know why. Well, maybe because I'm old. But this would be probably more expensive than the Lexus to fix, I would guess. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. This is the Kia Stinger, 72,900 miles, and it is from 2020. Well, well, well. Look who's still here. And for one particular subscriber, this video is for you. Yeah, I can't remember the name, but every comment is, yeah, that's a good car, but it's not a Barracuda. That Lexus is lovely, but it's not a Barracuda. This is it for him. He says this would make my channel so popular and so cool. I don't know, as you can see, this would involve a lot of work. I mean, really a lot of work. But you do have the the rear glass right here. Okay, there's just so much. Look, someone's tried to fix things. This right here, what is the cost of this? Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. The car used to be blue, or is that just primer? May just be some primer in there. All right. Now, if you have been watching my videos, you know I got in here. It's a cool car. I think it started, which is huge. I don't know. Actually, I don't remember. I really don't remember what it did. But it's got the Hurst shifter, 4-speed. Looks like the interior has already been done. Oh, this is the burn. This is why it's here. Yeah, this has the burn on it. Do I remember how to get in here? No, I don't remember. Is it under here? I don't remember how to do this. Or is it right here? Is this it? Here we go. I think this is it. Sorry about the camera work. Yeah. Well, I can't even get into it now. And to be honest, it's cool. It's just way more work than I'm interested in doing. But if you are interested in a Barracuda, this could be yours. This would be nice. Go back and look through my videos. I know it's the thumbnail. And I give you a complete review of this thing. But it certainly has lots of issues. But it does have lots and lots of potential. And it's got very nice tires. Very, very nice tires. All right, I think we're going to make that the last video because I'm about to lose the battery on my camera right now. So, thank you very much for watching the videos. Once again, that Barracuda was for you. Cool dude who loves it so much. Every single comment includes the Barracuda, which is great. I love it when people comment and tell me what they think. So be sure to let me know what you think about these walk-around videos and the cars that I've shown you, and let me know which is your favorite. Right now I'm looking for my Coca-Cola. Okay, there it is, right down there. So please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we will see you in another video very, very soon. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.